Yo, I ain't gonna lie. You see, Kev's birth control is top notch, bro. Hey, you, everyone, welcome. I hope you're doing great and I hope you're doing fantastic. It's been a minute since I've reacted to Gabriel Enriquez music, but it's my lucky day because guess what? He's now collaborating with a guy called Kevz. First time hearing of Kevz, never known of him before. So I'll be now learning about Kevz. Alright? And the song that I'll be reacting to, it's called Open Arms, Spanish version. Whether it's English or Spanish, I know this song will be a dominant music. Okay? So, with this being said, let's see what's up. Let's hear what these two guys will sing for us today.
Solo dos cuerpos jugando.
Happiness, 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 happiness. It's been a minute since I've heard Gabriel. And the very minute I sit and I listen to Gabriel collaborating with someone different, otherwise something called Kevz, bro, my day will now enlighten with beautification of music.
Juntos en la oscuridad fuimos queriendo cada vez más.
I ain't gonna lie, Kevz is a powerful singer, actually a vocalist. Alright, because you know Gabriel do not collaborate with people who doesn't seems to fit his criteria. Alright, so music like this, collaboration like this is always needed. Okay?
Nada podía cambiar. El paso del tiempo nos quiso alejar y nuestro amor pudo más.
You know, just yesterday I was coming to work, right? And I was playing Gabriel Enriquez music, right? And the music is such a lively music. His music is such a timeless music. His music is just one in a billion. Whenever time Gabriel comes on the scenery to give us music, it is so detailed, but yet a timeless music. His voice gives you that timeless feeling, right? He's the king of vocals, alright? When it comes down to the Brazilian artists, Gabriel stands in the middle. He's a king, bro.
Y ahora estoy frente a ti, amándote. Mi corazón no puede esconder que
Woo! Okay, so this is Kevz. Kevz! Oh my god, bro. Kevz! Yo, Kevz! Kevz! I knew anyone Gabriel collaborates with is always making sure that his collaboration stands out. But Kevz is a different species from the other collaborations Gabriel been in. Okay, so very good Kevz, very good. Gabriel found his match, another match.
yo sin ti no sé querer. Vuelvo a vivir a tu lado, amor que soñé.
My God! Oh my God! These two are championship. Perfect. Just perfect. The collaboration is perfect, bro. I have nothing more to say more than just perfect. It's a total perfection. What a sweet music. These two musicians are so sweet, man. Damn, bro.
Solo en mi cuarto, sin tu calor, fui conociendo el temor. Te quise tanto, mi alma de ti. Hoy que regresas a mí. Se llena el vacío, se apaga el dolor.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. You see, Kevz birth control is top notch, bro. My first time hearing of Kevz, I do not know what he's capable of, but whenever time I sit and I react to Gabriel Enriquez music, you know, I've learned a lot about good singers out there, bro. But Gabriel is in a league of his own. And for him to bring forth, you know, other artists who me and others who are not aware of in the scene of music to disclose and to highlight their talent, Gabriel is standing on the throne. He's a king on a throne, bro, when it comes on to music. Gabriel is a king, bro. And I love the way how he's just bringing forth his servants with him. Not in the sense that serving him as a king, but musically speaking. Alright? No pun intended. Okay, so Gabriel, phenomenal. Phenomenal, bro. Just phenomenal.
Hoy tengo tu amor. Y ahora estoy frente a ti, amándote. Mi corazón no puede esconder. Yo sin ti no sé querer. Vuelvo a vivir a tu lado, amor.
When you speak about harmonizing terms, okay? When you speak about melody, when you speak about singing in a melodious factor, we have to include Gabriel Henrique and we have to include Kevz. Okay? So this is a phenomenon. Okay? I gotta say, freaking gorgeous! Damn, bro!
Oh, que soñé. Que soñé.
Kevz and Gabriel, you guys have done a tremendous job to disclose such a very great beauty in music. You guys stand out on top again. Gabriel, you came out on top again as a very kind-hearted person to bring forth another artist to let us the fans know about what he's capable of. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. But if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, you know, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man.